Amalungu omkhonto wesizwe athi kuze kube manje akaze acacisela ukuthi yini ayidala ukuthi uJacob Zuma ayiswe ejele. Lesi story bathi sicishe sifane nesika John Hlophe ukuthi naye bayafisa ukwazi ukuthi wenzeni njengoba kwenzeka ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo. Bese uqhubeka-ke umuntu sokhuluma kule video ethi kumphatha kabi futhi ukuthi akekho umuntu okwalela abantu abamnyama ngendlela abelungu babaphethe ngayo eSouth Africa.
Ngiyaye ngizwe abantu bekhuluma la bethi kunezuma lo. Yabona manje nami sengiqala ukuyikholwa lento ukuthi hayi ikhona ngempela into ekuthiwa izuma lo, because even nayo uNxamalala ukuya kwakhe ejele namanje asikaze sicacelwe. Kwayena ubaba uJohn Hlophe lo thiwa wayenzelela umshuluza ngithi basho njalo. So kodwa mina kuze kube namhlanje kubo bonke abantu, even ama-journalist mayebuza abantu ebebejabulela ukuthi ubaba Hlophe impeach. Even kuze kube namhlanje ayikho i-journalist engizwe ibuza ukuthi exactly ubaba Hlophe wenzani kubani. Ngizwa nje ngizwa nami la njengoba ngisuke ngizwa nje ukuthi sesithembe nina and kwamajaji lawo kushiwo kuwo okwakushiwo kiwo kanjalo mangizwa mina cha hayi ngathi abahambisani nalento. So manje ngisala ngiconfused yabona ngoba kusho ukuthi kuseyizuma lo ukuthi you impeach a person, you did not, like they do not even give him isikhathi, they do not give him ithuba look defender this thing, because according to my knowledge even now this case was never resolved, but because they wanted him out, okay, sharp. So because why? But wayenzelela umshuluzi. So kumele kungalandela umthetho, kungalandelwa yonke into eright nobufakazi oburight ukuthi akhishwe. Usekhishiwe ke, hayi siyavuma. Manje uselandwa iMK izomfaka eParliament. Okuwukuthi ungenile eParliament ngokusemthethweni. Akavelanga wazela nje, ungene ngokusemthethweni. UseseParliament. MayiseseParliament unikezwa itask njengoba eParliament anyone oseParliament evumelekile ukwenza noma yipi itask. Sebebuya futhi bazokwenza lento bona bayenzile. Kusukela ekuqaleni bazo-applya izuma law, because according to mina angina knowledge, mhlambe ikhona into ekuthiwa immorality law angiyazi, but ngokwami mina ukwazi ayikho enye into eSouth Africa engaphezu kweconstitution yala eSouth Africa. Anyone owenza into outside iconstitution usuke wrong. So manje mayenziwa yijudge kumele kube icustodian yeconstitution, then ngisala ngiconfused. Bese kuthiwa kumele sivume thina ukuthi amajaji aseSouth Africa wathengwa. Kodwa amajaji aseSouth Africa akwazi ukusebenzisa ama-feelings not umthetho uma ijaji umuntu. Ngisho kungathiwa mfethu ngibulele yakhe ingane, umthetho waseSouth Africa uma ngabe uthi kumele ungisentenze u-25 years ejele, kumele ungisentenze u-25 years. Angeke wena uthi ngoba ingane yami le ipene engiyifilayo so yenza ukuthi ngimnikeze lo muntu u-50 years okanye u-75 years ngizomnikeza lokho ngenxa yokuthi wena usebenzisa ama-feelings. It does not work like that. Umthetho, you follow what is written down and is agreed upon. Kwathiwa lo umgomo umthetho wala eSouth Africa ukuthi uhamba la. So leyo ukuthi wena then you will change and say you are using immorality. How? Where can we extract immorality ukuthi ihambe ifike iphi, iqalaphi ihambe ifike iphi immorality yomuntu? So like manje njengoba ngisho, I do believe ukuthi there is izuma law eSouth Africa, and I think it is the only parallel law esinayo against the constitution, iZuma law. We don't have any other one. So lo mthetho uimplementwa abantu ababesicindezele before, ababulala inqwaba yabantu. No one has ever fought abantu abamhlophe abaseParliament njengamanje ukuthi basiphilisa yiphi impilo njengoba besaqhubeka kwivini kwanamhlanje. Namanje basagwevene izinto zethu. Akekho umuntu obalwisayo ngalokho. Bona banenevu kodwa ukuthi balwise thina for into engekho. Into emabu ukuthi wena uphikisana nabo then kumele bakulwise. Yabona nje iZuma law bafethu is alive eSouth Africa. And kumele ngempela sithole indlela yokulwisa. Phela kodwa ke ngoba vele sisebancane esivula kamehlo okanye singabenefit thina kulezi zinto zabamhlophe. So kuzothatha isikhathi kodwa khona kumele silwise lento yeZuma law.